In this video, I'll show you how to scrape Weibo posts and profiles automatically using Apify. We'll extract data like post text, author names, profile images, verification status, follower counts, post timestamps, likes, comments, shares, and direct post links from Weibo's main feed. The whole process only takes a couple of minutes. First, let's take a look at Weibo.com. This is one of the largest social media platforms in China, often described as China's equivalent of Twitter. Now go to Apify and search for Weibo Scraper. Open the actor page. The only input you need to configure is the maximum number of results to scrape. Let's set it to 100. Then click Start. The actor will automatically scrape posts from Weibo's public feed. Once the run finishes, open the dataset to see the results. Each record contains the post text, author name, profile image, profile URL, verification status, follower count, timestamp, likes, comments, shares, any attached images or videos, location data, and the direct post link. You can export the dataset as CSV, JSON, or Excel. Use this data for sentiment analysis, brand monitoring, trend detection, or building Chinese language AI training datasets. The link to the actor is in the video description. Thanks for watching.